Hello, hi everyone. Ellarku namaskaram. Welcome to Shiva's Travel Stories. I'll be sharing my travel videos every Wednesday and Saturday through my travel blog. So if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe the channel. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഒരു ട്രെക്കിംഗ് വിശേഷമാണ് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. മുന്നേ ഒരു ട്രെക്കിംഗ് വ്ലോഗ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, സന്ദാക്പൂർ ട്രെക്കിംഗ്, നേപ്പാൾ വെസ്റ്റ് ബംഗാൾ ബോർഡറിൽ. ദാറ്റ് വാസ് വൺ ഓഫ് ദ ഈസിയസ്റ്റ് ട്രെക്ക് വിച്ച് ഐ ഹവ് ഡൺ. Today we are going to talk about Goichala trekking, which is one of the most difficult trek which I have done, and that is classified as a difficult trek in the trekking sites as well. And indeed, it was very difficult. So this is basically in West Sikkim. So Goichala trekking gives you an amazing view of world's third tallest mountain. So that is one thing which is special about Goichala trekking. And one history about this trail is during 1996 and 2006, when there was a civil war happening in Nepal. Normally to see Kanchenjunga view, the Nepal was one of the most famous trails to see all the big mountains. And when there was civil war happening, people could not do this trekking, and they started searching for an alternative trail, and that is how this Goichala trail became very famous, and it gives an amazing view of multiple specialities, and I'll give you all the details during the video. So I have done this trekking with India Hikes. It was around, as I mentioned, it was around 11 days trek, and I think they charged around 17,000 for the expense from your base camp till you reach back to your base camp. A very significant incident also happened during this trekking, and that tested all of our patience, all of our ability to cope up with such unexpected situations, and the leadership of our trekking guide, who is in a very early age. I think in around maybe he's in his early 20s. So that is one significant incident which I'll be sharing it with you. If this video becomes very long, maybe I'll do a separate video to share with you that particular incident. Goichala trek, the trek that takes you close to the world's third highest mountains. This trek is categorized as difficult trek and is for 11 days duration, including 9 to 10 days of trekking. The biggest reason to do a Goichala trek is a grand view of big mountains that you see during trekking. You don't just see one summit, the Kanchenjunga, but 14 other high peaks. That's a lot for any trek, especially as close to the eyes as on Goichala trek. It is no wonder that trekkers consider Goichala to be closest to the big mountain treks of Nepal. A perfect challenge for endurance. Trekking always tests my endurance, and Goichala does that beautifully. On this trek, you cover 65.7 km in 10 days' time, and that too with a considerable ascent at a time. There are multiple interesting factors about Goichala trek and makes it very unique. One thing is having a dense jungle at 12,000 feet. There are very few treks with tree lines at such a high altitude. Normally at around by 10,000 feet, after that you don't see any jungle while you are doing trekking. Dramatic change in the scene. That is then other speciality of Goichala trek. The first one is from Shoka to Zongri. Initially, the trail is through rhododendron and pine trees, but on reaching Phedang, the dense forest covers suddenly give way to barren terrain. The change is astonishing. Another dramatic change in scenery is from Kochurang to Tansing. Here, Prechu River, which you had seen flowing deep in the valley, suddenly cuts through the jungle and you see you're walking beside the river. It lends such a mystical ambience to the setting. The shift in scene with a wooden bridge going over the river was surprising. And you will be crossing 3 suspension bridges, which is very unusual with respect to trekking. Bridges which is over 3 deep valleys. The best time to do the trekking is one during April and May, or else September and October. April and May you will see the rhododendrons with full of red and pink flowers throughout your trekking route. Goichala is a high altitude trek that takes you beyond 15,000 feet. The trek climbs rapidly and your safety depends a lot on preparation you put in for the trek, and this is one of the most difficult trekking which I have done for 9 continuous days. Includes around 11 days considering the time which you reaches the base camp, and it climbs from around 5,600 feet to 15,000 feet, and that is almost an altitude gain of 10,000 feet. There are also no easy exit after Zongri, so you should definitely have a good physical condition to complete this trekking. One more thing which makes this trek difficult is Goichala has only one exit point. It is where we start the trek at Yuksum, our base camp. So if you really wanted to rethink, can I climb this much altitude, you should take the decision there at the base camp. As you start the trekking, Shoka, Zongri are good campsite to turn around your decision if you feel it is a difficult task to be achieved. It also becomes harder. You may lose vital time in saving a patient. And the day when we have reached the summit, just one day prior, there is a bad accident happened. And our guide tried not to convey that message to us till we come back from our summit. The Samiti Lake is another big attraction on the Goichala trek. The view of the still water and the reflection of Mount Pandim in the lake, especially in the early hours, is a visual treat. Goichala, you must first go to Yuksam in West Sikkim. That's the base camp. The trek starts and ends there. Yuksam is about 150 kilometer from Siliguri or New Jalpaiguri or the Bagdogra airport. So the pickup point is normally at the New Jalpaiguri, and then you reach to the base camp at Yuksam, traveling around 150 kilometers. How amazing it will be if someone gets an opportunity to celebrate his birthday on top of this mountains.
Alright, let us all take a moment to celebrate our fellow trekkers' birthday. So let's just start, okay? Okay. Lead singer का है हमारे, lead singer चालू करेंगे. Okay. बार बार ये
दिन आए बार बार दिल ये गाए तुम जियो हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू Anirban, you are so lucky today your birthday and you are here a beautiful place.
As I mentioned in the beginning, a very big incident happened during this trekking. I'm going to share with you that story in the next vlog because I have a lot to tell about the incident and how strategically our trekking guide was able to manage it.
भारत माता की भारत माता की
അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഗോയിച്ചാല ട്രെക്കിങ്ങിൻ്റെ വിശേഷങ്ങൾ ഇഷ്ടമായി എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. അതിൻ്റെ അമേസിങ് പിക്ചേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. ഇഫ് യു like the video, please click the like button. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe the channel and share your comments. Thank you so much.